Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome to another video here on the No Brain Motorsport channel. Today I'm going to talk about a mobile phone holder for Audi A3 that we just received. Stock was out, but we ended up getting a new batch this afternoon. This holder can fit not only for Audi A3 8V but also for the sedan and sportback models. It also works with Audi S3, both the sedan and hatch versions. It also fits the Audi RS3, but we don't have many pieces left. Usually they sell out fast. This phone holder is entirely metal, ensuring its durability. It has a strong magnet to securely hold your phone, as you can see. You place the magnet inside your phone case. Besides, I will include a tutorial video showing how easy it is to install this holder. You don't need any tools for installation. I believe it is very useful because it places your phone in the middle of the dashboard between the two air outlets. You can adjust it to the left, right, up or down. It helps you when using your GPS or when you need to read a message. It does not obstruct the air vents, so if you have your air conditioning on, the air will not hit your phone, which is great. Plus, it gives that original factory look to your vehicle. We have received several different options of this phone holder. We are selling it for 130 reais plus shipping costs. For those who are interested, you can also pick it up directly from us in West Sao Paulo. If you are outside Sao Paulo and want it delivered, the cost is 130 reais plus shipping. Please get in touch either through the official Instagram account of the channel, which is No Brain Motorsport, and send me a message saying, Felipe, I want to buy it. This is the mobile phone holder for Audi A3 or Audi S. Send me a message directly with your zip code and let me know the kind of delivery you want, whether by pack or by CDEX. If you want both options, tell me and I will quote you the separate cost for pack and CDEX. Alternatively, you can just say, Felipe, I want to buy the holder for Audi A3 and pick it up in Sao Paulo.
I'll give you the address. You can come here and pick it up. Customers usually come here to get it. Normally I install it for free. It takes approximately 5 minutes at most to install, so I do it as a courtesy to customers who want to pick up the product here and meet me. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you a video with the installation and the result of the cell phone holder and how it looks on the panel. Sound good? Alright guys, if you like this video and you have a friend who owns an Audi A3, Audi S3, among other Audi models and needs a really cool cell phone holder for their car, I suggest you share this video in your Facebook and Audi WhatsApp groups with your friends. Obviously, if you stayed with me until this point in the video, it wouldn't hurt to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. We have several accessories arriving soon. I recommend it if you haven't seen the video yet. We made a video about the LED sills, the RS3 grille, the RS rear extractor. We also have videos of the internal lights with LEDs, thresholds, pedals, among many other accessories. Hey everyone, if you're interested in any accessory, just check our Instagram, chat with me, and I'll give you the cost, delivery date, or product price, including installation as well, okay? Okay then, hugs everyone, bye-bye. Now, between the panel and the air outlet itself, I fit it in the back and pull it a little around it. You can remove the air outlet, same thing on the other side. I fit it in here and pull out both sides. You don't need to remove both, okay? There's only one air outlet. When you can remove just one, you can install it right away. The only other thing here that you need is to slightly move it away so you can fit the support behind it.
for example, this one is already loose. We can now pull it out, put our hand behind it, and pull it slowly. The small support is almost loose, so we pull it a little more. You don't even need to remove the entire air outlet. We just pull it a bit more here, and that's great. We'll use the edge of the support to act as a lever behind the air outlet. You'll lean it back here, and we'll pull out the air outlet. After you do this, there are two edges. One you will fit here at the back, and the other one on the other side, as you can see. Press one side to lock it, and push the other side also to lock it, and that's cool, it's already installed.